Hey humans, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today, day 10, Vlogmas day 10, yay! We have 15 days more to go. I have been having so much fun. I hope you have been having fun. Trust me, you are gonna have fun with me. So, this morning I'll be showing you how I make my breakfast. One of the breakfasts, my go-to breakfast. It is very easy to make, it is quick, it is healthy, it is feeling. You are looking to lose weight. This recipe today is the perfect recipe for you. This is why. Because it is filling and has a lot of fiber. So, meals with fiber are usually best for me. Alright, let's do this. So, we start with our banana. You want to peel your bananas. Bring that in your bowl. Guys, living with guys is I don't even know what to say. Thank God I still had bananas to do this. I bought this bunch of bananas and look at what we have now. They could have just finished it. I will not have what to do. Content. So for your bananas, always use, when you're mashing your banana, get this out. Always use a fork. See how easy that was? Very easy. Yep. Don't try spoons because the spoon, you can put some. The spoon will not give you the effect. So there you have it. Next, you want to add your chia pudding. So I call it a pudding because it's already made into a pudding. I soaked this overnight. It's always best to soak your chia overnight. It's healthier that way. Then I have this coconut milk for a good quantity in here. Mix all of that together. And that's it, guys. That is it. If you want, add some nuts, and I'll be adding pumpkin seeds because these are the nuts that I really like. I'll add pistachio, and you can also add fruits if you care to. So for today, I'll be adding apples. You know how to cut apples, so we're gonna pause this while I cut. Hey guys, I'm back with my apples, so throw that in. Make sure to cut them into chewable sizes, like so. So tell me why this is not gonna be filling. Tell me. There you have it. Breakfast is ready. It's healthy. It's filling. This will keep you through like half the day. That is why I love my chia banana pudding. Alright, to the next slide. Before we go to the next slide, take a picture, take a picture. Alrighty guys, because it has banana, I did not see a need to add honey. But you know, some of you are just sweet tooth. You must have something sweet. But hey, you don't need it, but just in case, it's not harmful to drizzle in some honey. Alrighty guys, to the next slide. I need to get something for my offices. Look at the sun. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Let's look for the sun. No. Not working, not working. We need to get the sun. Yeah. That's the sun. Alrighty, so I was saying we need to get some things for my office's Christmas party. So get ready for content on Monday. We have a party and I'm wearing red because I've been invited for a Christmas carol. I may not be able to have that in today's vlog, maybe tomorrow's vlog. Alrighty guys, let's go. So I am going out with this human. She's my niece and we're going shopping together. Yes, then we will go for the Christmas carol. That's Grace. Disciple. Oh my god, it felt so good driving in less traffic. Like literally empty road. Yay! Abuja isn't that bad though. So we are here. Here is exclusive and let's go in and see what we will be able to achieve today. So we are here, basket, and so we are here, me, Grace and you. We're here and Grace just reminded me that we needed to get some things for the house, so we're getting faster. So let's get shopping. Alright. Yeah, please. Mama. Okay. So we're getting 2 golden pennies in the basket. And it's raining golden pennies, so we're getting the macaronis too. And I kind of love this basket in exclusive. We have this cool basket and this cool girl. Where's the list? So I like to shop with the list. That way it helps you spend accordingly. At this point, there was music playing in the background and I didn't want any copyright issues on my channel. So I muted that, picked up a few things for Christmas, and you'll see that in my Christmas vlog. Let's go home. Yay! Hey guys, so I have chosen to end this video under my sun. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas day 10. Like I said, I will be going for a Christmas carol that will come tomorrow as day 11. And I usually set up my Christmas tree. Unfortunately, I did that already on the 1st, but I'll see what I can bring for you guys so that you see what my Christmas setup is. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and if you have, mwah, that's for you. Alrighty, bye. See you tomorrow.